Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we will be learning how to redeem your Amazon gift card. So if you're looking for this video, make sure to stick till the end and watch the steps. So let's get into the video. First of all, you need to sign into your Amazon account on your desktop through any web browser that you're comfortable with. After you're on your home page on the Amazon website, on your top right corner, you will see your account option near the return and order option. So just hover over there, and then you will see your account list on the right side and your list on the left side. So just below your account, you will see an account option. Go ahead and click on there. After that, on your screen, you will be loaded with multiple options. So just go ahead and look for gift card right here. So click on gift cards, and then you will see your gift card balance on your screen. So just again, on your left side, you will see a redeem a gift card option at the top. So just click on there. So now all you need to do is provide your claim code, which you will provide it on your gift card. So check your gift card, and on your back side you might see your claim code either on the top or on the bottom. So just check out there and enter your code right here. Right corner, just near the code option, you will see apply to your balance option. Go ahead and click on your apply to your balance option, and then your balance will be credited. So in this way you can redeem your Amazon gift card. And if you made it till the end, thank you for watching the video, and we will see you on next video.